Have you ever asked an AI a simple question and gotten a bizarre, completely made-up answer back? Or maybe you've seen those AI-generated images where people have 7 fingers on one hand. If so, you've witnessed what experts call an AI hallucination. It sounds a bit spooky, doesn't it? But it's not about robots having dreams. An AI hallucination is simply when an AI model generates information that is incorrect, nonsensical, or completely disconnected from reality. Think of it like this. A human might misremember a fact or fill in gaps in a story with their imagination. AI does something similar, but for a different reason. These models are trained on massive amounts of data from the internet. They learn patterns, connections, and styles of language. When you ask a question, the AI isn't thinking or knowing the answer in the way we do. Instead, it's predicting the most probable sequence of words that should come next based on all the data it has seen. It's a highly sophisticated game of statistical word association. So why do these hallucinations happen? Well, sometimes the training data itself contains errors or biases. If an AI learns from flawed information, it's going to produce flawed answers. Other times, the AI might not have enough information on a specific topic. To avoid just saying, "I don't know," it tries to create a plausible-sounding response by weaving together bits and pieces of unrelated information it has learned. This can lead it to invent historical events, cite non-existent research papers, or create fantastically weird images. For example, you might ask an AI to summarize a legal document, and it could invent a legal clause that isn't actually there. Or you could ask for a picture of an astronaut riding a horse on the moon, and while it might get the astronaut and horse right, the laws of physics in the image could be completely wrong. It's essentially guessing with a high degree of confidence. The good news is that researchers are working tirelessly to solve this. One method is called reinforcement learning with human feedback, or RLHF. This is where humans rate the AI's answers, teaching it which responses are accurate and helpful, and which are hallucinations. This feedback loop helps the AI refine its own judgment. Another approach involves building AIs that can cross-reference their answers with reliable sources, a bit like a student learning to cite their work. They're also training models to better understand when they don't know something and to admit it, rather than just making things up. Understanding AI hallucinations is crucial as we integrate this technology more into our lives in medicine, science, and even our daily search engines. We need AI to be a reliable partner, not a confident-sounding liar. The goal is to build systems we can trust. So the next time an AI tells you something that sounds a little too strange to be true, you'll know what's happening. It's not magic or a ghost in the machine. It's just a hallucination. What's the most bizarre AI hallucination you've ever come across? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your stories. Thanks for watching. If you found this explanation helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more deep dives into the world of technology. See you in the next one.